Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. And uh, if you missed my live here on my channel this Tuesday, I was working on the Kscraft fruit stand, the 3D fruit stand. And this is what it looks like, all the pieces that come with it. You get these two little die sets here to create the paper bags for your fruit stand. You also get this cute little label with some lollipop candy details. So little peppermints and then the lollipops right there. So that is included with the die. I did not cut those out. And then you also get the layering pieces for the roof of the fruit stand. So you get the roof, it comes like this, and it's embossed. And then you get the layering piece. It's in two pieces, so I use some washi to hold it together. And then I cut a bunch out so you could cover every other section to decorate your roof. And then you get these pieces right here to create your stand. So you have to cut two of these out, one for your left, one for the right. And then two of this is the front and the back. You'll need two pieces, so they go like that. And then this is the shelf for each of the layers. So this is what I did. I had to cut 4 pieces of my base cardstock. Why is because I used 2 pieces to layer it on top of each other to make it super sturdy. So everything that you had to cut out twice, you had to cut it. I cut it 4 times, okay? And then this is the shelf. I cut this twice also to make one shelf. So I cut this one 4 times. And then this is just the layering piece for the shelf that comes with it. It's got the stitch details. I cut this one 2 times. And because you don't have layering pieces for this die, all you have to do is with your decorative paper, cut 2 of this and 2 of this to layer on. And then all I did for my layering piece, I just cut off the folded tabs. And the same with this one, I cut the tabs off, all 4 of the tabs here. And then you just add it to the front. So this is what my fruit stand looks like. Let me get these all out of the way. I'm trying to stay a little organized because there's just so many pieces. So there's the roof. The glitter cardstock is the solid piece. And then these little decorative paper, this is those single pieces that I showed you that were the layers. We had washi tape, so those, and it goes on there. And you just fold them down on this edge here to create the awning. There on the inside, you can see the glitter cardstock in there, right in there. And here are my paper bags. And I use these mini heart clips from Amazon. I bought a pack of paper clips and I attached the little bag so they could come off like that. And just clip it on there in the back of there. And it's holding my bag on the little shelf. So cute. And that way you can add more stuff on there. I did add a tiny little bow, just hot glued that on there. And that is like this. I picked this up at Walmart in the sewing section. So that's what this one looks like. I don't know if I'm going to add it all to the bags because I really wanted strawberries and fruit on here. You know, the different stickers. But I didn't have any, so I got to go figure that out. Also on Soleil and Crafts YouTube channel, she is a designer for Kscraft. So I saw her video and she added Velcro to the roof. I love this idea. And that way it's easier for you to put things in there rather than reaching in to the top or through here. So yeah, that's what I did there. And you can see the glitter cardstock better. I didn't put anything on the inside layers. I didn't decorate that. I just kept it solid color. So you just push down on the Velcro. I glued these 3 edges down, and then yeah, that's it. This thing is so sturdy, no problem staying, you know, sturdy, because it's got pretty much 3 layers of cardstock onto all of the sides. So yeah, that's it for this little project share. Hope you guys check out Kscraft. Yeah, I just got this die set in a few days ago, and yeah, I picked up the fruit stand because Ebony and I are hosting a strawberry shortcake themed swap, and one of the requirements is to create a 3D fruit stand or a cart, 3D cart, and you have to load it with some goodies. It could be handmade, it could be store-bought. It's just up to you what you want to share. So that is it. One of the requirements already knocked out for the strawberry shortcake. This is what it is, and it will close March 27th, and your swaps are due to your swap partner on May 8th. So guys, lots of time. If you see this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video. And if you want to sign up, please do so on Instagram. It is on Ebony's page. Also leave her link in the description box below. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you Thursday on Ebony's channel. And we will be continuing our crafting sessions for strawberry shortcake. Hope to see you guys there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.